This method literally makes your wig look flawless again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the D Squad if you are new. Today we are going to attempt to save this wig once again. This is the same wig that I saved last time by showing you guys how to recurl it, detangle it, revive it. And you guys have been asking me how the wig was doing, and it has not been doing that great. I mean, you can see it just looks horrible, but the biggest issue is this giant finger-sized hole in the lace in front. Like literally my finger fits in it. I could look through it. It's a no-no. It's a definite no-no. So I'm going to show you how to take it from this horrible holy mess to this nice fixed, you can't even see that it was broken type thing. Now girl, if I tell you that the problem was worse than I thought, it would be an understatement. At this point I discovered that not only does the lace have a hole in it, it also broke from the side. So I had to do a major repair job, and for that I needed some clear nylon thread and a curved needle. Now because the lace was so fragile, there was just not enough lace for me to just like fix it by, sewing it to the sides and sewing the whole back together. So I needed to use another piece of lace. And I found a tiny little piece. Literally, I looked at all my wigs, okay, and I found a tiny little piece in another synthetic wig that I had forgotten to cut off, and that piece I used. But let this be a lesson, guys. Next time you get in a wig and you cut off the lace from the front, just keep it in like a separate box or something, so you always have some scrap lace to use. So I found another small piece of lace, but the color just didn't match, and I just thought it would look patchy. So I decided to cut this tiny little piece in kind of like half-ish, so I could use one to fix the side and then one to fix the hole. So this method works both for wigs like this where you have lace and a cap, and for lace frontals or full lace wig. Just remember that when you are sewing your new piece to the old existing lace or cap, to not sew too close to the edge, otherwise your connecting edge will be very fragile. So make sure you take up enough lace from the cap, but not too much so it doesn't tighten the cap. I hope you guys understand what I mean, but basically just make sure that your connection is strong enough so it doesn't break. So when you're done, just cut the new lace part to match the edge and perimeter of your old lace. And as you can see, you see nothing from the top of the wig. So this method literally makes your wig look flawless again. And I'm going to do the exact same thing for the hole in the middle. Now this one I have to be more careful because the lace, the original lace that's broken, is literally so fragile that I just have to make sure that I take up enough from the good part of that existing lace and not so too close to the edge, because that would just mean that it will break soon again. Wow guys, you literally cannot see that this lace was ever broken. The only thing is of course the color difference. Now if you use a piece of lace from the wig itself, like if you have a frontal and you cut that piece of lace off in the beginning, then you don't need to follow this step. But since this lace is a different color, I'm going to use concealer to blend it together. Now this is just for educational purposes because this wig has not been washed in I don't know how long, and there's old concealer caked on it. But yeah, if you do this, then you literally conceal the fact that this was a patch job. Now while you enjoy my awkward dancing, a look at this, guys. Other than the concealer that's caked on, you really cannot see that this was ever broken. Now literally this is my new go-to method to fix my wigs and save my coins, of course. So if you liked this video, please subscribe, like it, click that bell button, and of course I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. You can bust down Tatiana, bump up your body and grind it, then get dirty and wine. You can bust down Tatiana, bump up your body and grind it, then get dirty and wine.